Hello, my name is Robin. Today we're going to be talking about creating your own DIY legacy binder. Again, if you want to create a legacy plan, that is something you will want to do with a lawyer and an accountant, depending on your financial situation. But this series in our continuation of legacy planning is basically discussing the documents you're going to need to take to the lawyer. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. Like and subscribe if you're interested in the content. We talk about financial tips all the time. So what's the reason why we're going to develop a personal documents binder? In my years of experience, and I have 25 years plus in financial counseling, many times people aren't coordinating the information they need when events happen. And it could be anything, an illness, whatever, a marriage, going to college, filling out forms for FAFSA, so many different scenarios. And what I realized is sometimes people don't have all that information consolidated in one place. So that's where I came up with the idea for the binder. I shared this binder with my daughter, age 24. I helped her buy her first house at age 24. And I gave her one of these so that she could start keeping her important documents in one place. In the event of an emergency, apocalypse, Chicken Little, the sky is falling, mom falls off the ladder like I did a week ago and need to rush to the hospital, she is aware that she just grabs this pink book. Me and her have the same one. But if you like this content, you could actually grab one off of my website or make your own, and soon to come, or make up your own as well. But that is the reason I came up with this idea. And when I pitched it to other people, they found it to be very helpful. Because a lot of times people have their documents, some in a shoebox, some at mom's house in the drawer, here, there, everywhere. And the goal here is to consolidate all the important information in one place so that your person that you deem to put eyes on has access to that information. All right, so today we're going to take a look at what to include in the binder. What items? All right, starting with, the goal is to put important information all in one place. It's just an organized way to have all of your financial docs and whatnot in one space. And if you have an OCD, then you'll be happy to do this as well. And sometimes we don't do it till later on in life. So we want to start off with maybe personal information. So some of the personal information you want to include in the binder is your information, your spouse's information, your spouse's family, mom, dad, brothers, sisters, family registry is what they call that, your children, in case of emergency, trusted contacts, important business and personal contacts like family physician or dentist or mechanic, etc., attorney, accountant, any banking information. You can also write down your final wishes and anything else that you might think of, you can include in this consolidated packet so that you can present it to your lawyer in order to actually execute your legacy plan. And I just made a page called Important Documents. All right, so this is John Doe birth certificate, social security card, photocopies, passport, driver's license. You want to also include things like your will, which is a financial power of attorney document, a medical health care power of attorney document, a will if something happens to you, your college certificates and such, receipts for your businesses, information about your business, and then specific, I have a resume in here, and then specific information about your assets. all of those things are important in case Chicken Little, the sky's falling, your family knows what's what. So thank you for watching today. This is just basically foundational information to include in your personal binder, and of course you customize it as you wish. If you'd like to go deeper into this conversation, feel free to schedule a strategy call with me. Feel free to access the information in the description box. Thanks again. Have a great day.